Ready, start. In this context, while permitting an inquiry into a person's paternity via a DNA test, we must be mindful of collateral infringement of privacy. Full stop. For this, the court must satisfy itself that the threshold for the above mentioned three conditions is satisfied. Full stop. If even one of these conditions fails, it is considered an unwarranted invasion of privacy and consequently, of life and personal liberty as embodied in Article 21 of the Constitution. Full stop. Similarly, when dealing with the right to dignity, this court held that the right to dignity encapsulates the right of every individual to be treated as a self-governing entity having intrinsic value. Full stop. It means that every human being possesses dignity merely by being a human, and can make self-defining and self-determining choices. Full stop. Further, this court held that the right to dignity is intertwined with the right to privacy. Full stop. This means that a person can exercise his right to privacy in order to protect his right to dignity and vice versa. Full stop. Together, these rights protect an individual's ability to make the most intimate decisions regarding his life, including sexual activity, whether inside or outside the confines of marriage. Full stop. Forcefully undergoing a DNA test would subject an individual's private life to scrutiny from the outside world. Full stop. That scrutiny, particularly when concerning matters of infidelity, can be harsh and can eviscerate a person's reputation and standing in society. Full stop. On account of this, he has the right to undertake certain actions to protect his dignity and privacy, including refusing to undergo a DNA test. Full stop. Usually, in cases concerning legitimacy, it is the child's dignity and privacy that have to be protected, as they primarily come under the line of fire. Full stop. Though in this instance, the child is a major and is voluntarily submitting himself to this test, he is not the only stakeholder bearing personal interest in the results, whatever they may be. Full stop. The effects of social stigma surrounding an illegitimate child make their way into the parents' lives, as there may be undue scrutiny owing to the alleged infidelity. Full stop. It is in this backdrop that the appellant's right to privacy and dignity have to be considered. Full stop. Moreover, the respondent is already declared to be the legitimate son of Mr. Raju Kurian. Full stop. The fishing inquiry, which he wants through the judicial process is seemingly, not meant to bring certainty to an uncertain event. Full stop. Rather, it is predominantly targeted to harm the appellant's reputation. Full stop. The respondent knows well who is his single inverted father, single inverted close as per the law. Full stop. That apart, the courts must also remain abreast with the effects such a probe would have on other relevant stakeholders, especially women. Full stop. Casting aspersions on a married woman's fidelity would ruin her reputation, status, and dignity, such that she would be castigated in society. Full stop. Though in this case, the respondent's mother is actively associated in propagating this vexatious litigation, one can only imagine the repercussions in other cases where a child, in utter disregard to the sentiments and self-respect of their mother, initiates proceedings seeking a declaration of paternity. Full stop.